Hey there! In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to create a full YouTube video from start to finish using AI. We'll cover everything from writing the script to editing the video, and even coming up with ideas for your channel. Step 1. Write the script. Before writing your script, choose a topic that you're passionate about and that your audience will find interesting. Then, head over to the Chat GPT platform and start a new session. You can do this by typing in a prompt such as, "Can you help me write a script for my YouTube video on topic?" Once your script is written, it's time for the next step, editing. Step 2. Editing. For editing, we'll be using Pictory AI. To get started, sign up for a Pictory AI account and head to the dashboard to create your video. You can upload your script to Pictory AI, and the platform will use AI to analyze it and create a video. Step 3. Voiceover. Once your video is ready, it's time for the voiceover. You can either record your own voiceover or use Pictory AI's text-to-speech feature to generate one. The text-to-speech feature uses AI to create a natural-sounding voiceover that you can customize to suit your video's tone and style. Pictory AI will then use AI to create a video that matches your script and voiceover. When it's complete, you can download the video and move on to the next step. Step 4. Write the description. With your video complete, it's time to write the description. Head back to the Chat GPT platform and write a prompt such as, "Can you help me write a YouTube video description about caption?" And that's it. With the help of AI, you can create a full YouTube video from start to finish, including the script, voiceover, video, and description. So why not give it a try and see how AI can help you create engaging and professional videos for your channel? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.